Welcome to Rusi channel.
Hey there, awesome friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the delicious world of eating verbs.
The first verb is bite is to take a piece of food with your teeth. For example, when you eat a cookie, you take a bite out of it. Next verb is chew is to move your teeth together to break down food into smaller pieces. When you chew, you make the food easier to swallow. Next verb is sip is to take a small drink, usually from a cup or a straw. When you sip your juice, you take just a little at a time. Next verb is snack is to eat a small amount of food between meals. When you have a snack, like a cookie or some fruit, you're not having a full meal. Next verb is slurp is when you eat or drink your soup or a smoothie. If you make a loud noise, that's called slurping, and it can be a fun way to enjoy your food or drink. Next verb is nibble. When you nibble on a piece of chocolate or nut, you take small bites, enjoying each little taste. Next verb is munch. If you munch on crunchy snacks like carrots or chips, you make a nice sound while you eat. And the last verb is bolt. If you're in a hurry and need to eat quickly, you might bolt your breakfast, finishing it in no time.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Don't forget to practice these eating verbs the next time you enjoy a meal or snack. And guess what? We have more exciting videos coming your way soon, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out. Keep smiling, keep munching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.